Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn Computer Step by Step. We have already completed one series of Computer Basic. This is the second series of MS Word which will cover basics and advanced Word. We have also started with the third series of Basic, Intermediate and Advanced Excel. This series is available in English language, but it will be also introduced in Gujarati language. We'll teach one new topic every day. So let us start with the new topic of MS Word. The next part is character spacing. Let us see how character spacing can be used. We'll select this sentence. I'll go to again format font dialog box from here. Till now what I have done is all format font options. Now we are going to the advanced part of format font, which provides me with the choice of spacing. In spacing I have expanded and condensed. I say expand by 3 points. Okay, and I'll say okay. I'll click OK over here. You need to observe here. I'll say OK, and you can see the text expands. A space between the character is created. Control Z to undo. Jaise the. I'll go again. What is the reverse of expand? It is condense. And I'll directly type here 3 instead of using this spinner. This is known as spinner. Okay, and I'll say okay. Now it is condensed, so text needs to come nearer, and you can see they come very close to each other. Okay, this is the use of expand and condense. I have deliberately created names in 3 lines and just selecting only middle one. The advanced part is not much useful. Spacing and position and does not work much, but I have to show you as they are already in format font. Position is, I'll select raise. You need to go up. So I select 10 points. Raise to 10 points. You can see it as a raise to 10 points. Okay. But when you really apply it, it doesn't make big change. You can check here. I'll say okay. And to some extent, the lower part, the third part goes down. I'll say Control Z. If I make it ulta, that is lowered. Instead of raise, if I say lower by 12 points, you can check here. If I say 12, it goes very much down, but in real life it doesn't affect much. I'll say okay, and you can see it won't make big difference. Okay, so that is lower and raise. So that was the part of format font advanced where we have done spacing and position. Okay, let us check it. What is the next part? After character spacing, that is the advanced part, we go to the something fancy, that is text effect. Text effect 1 is done from the ribbon, and the same thing is done from the dialog box also. There is text effect 2. Let us do it first from the ribbon. Let us go and select the practical sheet. I'll go here. I'll remove this. I'll align everything to right so that it is very clearly visible to you when I apply it. Okay. Let us start one by one. I'll select this one, that is shadow part. I'll go here. And I have a choice of shadow over here. Okay, I have many options in shadow, outer shadow and inner shadow. I'll select any one of the option and I'll click it. You can see the difference. You can see here the difference. Okay, I'll click it. See, normally it is like this. When I select particular option, that is the shadow. Okay, there are many options. You can practice it. I'll click this. Now we are going to talk about outline. I'll select dark red, and that is outline. The next part is reflection. I'll click it. Again, I'll go to option of text effects and typography. I'll click. Let's check reflection, and let's try some reflection. Can you see? You can check here. And I click one of them, and that is what is the reflection show below the text. Next is glow. Can you see here? I'll take it blue. In every option, you can select it from here, or you have more options over here and more choice over here to customize it. I'll click this one. See, in blue you have 4 choice. The spread increases. The spread of blue color increases. I'll click this and I've selected this. The other 3 functions I'll teach you once you know something about the basics, that is ligatures, okay, numbers and Stallik set. They generally should not be part of form and font, but then I'll explain you when they are used. Okay, so that is what is the first part of text effects. Now let me take this one and put it in preset. Okay, I'll select this. There are preset available, which is a combination of shadow, outline, glow and everything. You can select any one of them. You can see these are the ready-made presets. Okay, they are readily available. Okay, you can select any one of them and you can customize even this also. You can also customize this one. Okay, I'll select this one and click it. They are ready-made presets. So these are the text effect 1, which you can do it directly from the ribbon over here. Okay, then you have the second choice, text effect 2, that is text fill and text outline. Let's check it again. Let me select any one of them. You have a choice over here. You can click here and you again have text effects over here. We had a choice of font, advanced and now text effects. Text effects will come with the 2 choice. Okay, you can see over here, either you can check fields and outline, field color and outline color of the text, or you can see the effects, that is shadow, reflection, glow in the edge. These are specially made for customization. I'll check text fill. I can go for gradient color, that is multiple color shade. I'll select this. I'll go for this dark one and I'll say okay. You will check here. I'll say again okay and I get this effect. Okay, gradient color. I'll go again inside. After selecting gradient in text effect, I can go here and give shadow to it. I can give glow to it and I can do customization on it. Like in shadow, I want more distance in shadow. Okay, thoda kam transparency, size is smaller. That's okay. And I'll say I can change the color of shadow. I'm deliberately giving some blunt color, that is red. Okay, when I press OK, you can see what changes are taken here. You can see this is what is. So you can customize. Here things are available readily. Okay, you have to just choose. But when you do it from here, it will allow you to customize every part of it. Every part of it. You have one more choice of 3D. Okay, we'll learn much in detail when we go for PowerPoint. Okay, this will be much useful in PowerPoint. So let us see what we have completed. So we have done text effects 1, that is from the ribbon. You can do it directly from here, and text effect 2, that you can do directly from here. Okay, always remember that everything that you have done in format font can be done in 3 ways. I'll deliberately select here. Either you can change font from here, okay, or you can go inside and you can change it from here, or you can change it from your keyboard shortcuts, and it also provides you choice with the over here, okay, in floating toolbar. So there are 4 choice of doing any job. Either you can do it from ribbon, you can do it from floating, you can go inside dialog box and you can do it, or you can use the shortcut. Like I may not click here to open the dialog box. I may straightway say, what is the shortcut? Control plus D. So I'll say Control D and it opens up. Okay. I may select some part. I may say bold over here. Okay. I'll remove it. and I may press Control B for bold. I may click Control I for italic. I may click Control U for underline. Whenever you go in that button, it shows the shortcut. Okay, Control U for underline, Control I for italic. Okay, so this is how you can do format font in Microsoft Word and beautify your documents. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video and understand this topic very well. Your suggestions and comments are very important to us. The basic purpose of creating this channel is to promote IT education to the students and public in general. We request you to suggest our this channel to all your family and friends and also to subscribe. I hereby thanks all my IT support staff and especially to Gurukul management who had encouraged me in promoting this online education platform. So now we meet with new topic, new video next time. Till then, thank you again.